Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to crochet this really simple summer top. This is two large rectangles put together, the front and the back being exact the same. The yarn I'm using for this project is Feels Like Butter from Lion brand, but you can use any types of yarn of your choice. This is a polyester yarn. The weight is number 4 medium. This one is about 540 meters long, and I still have left over, so it doesn't require a lot of yarn for this project. A 5mm hook, a pair of scissors, yarn needle, and measuring tape. For the starting chain, you need to measure the length from shoulder down, entirely up to you of how long you want it, with this number times 2, because it needs to be long enough to go over the shoulder. To begin the pattern, make a slip knot. Insert your hook and make a foundation chain in multiple of 4. For demonstration purpose, I'm making a chain of 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The actual chain is 200, and that measures about 38 inches long. Once you make enough chain for your foundation chain, to begin round 1, add 2 more chains. 1, 2. And now my chain is 22. Start on the second chain from hook. That's 1, 2, this one. Turn to the back and place a single crochet into the bump of the chain. Insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Single crochet. 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Skip 3. Single crochet. 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Skip 3. Single crochet. Repeat this all the way to the end. At the end of the round, skip 3, single crochet into the last stitch. And this round is complete. To begin the next round, and this is also the repeat round, 1 chain and turn. On the first stitch, this one, place a single crochet. 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Skip this. On the single crochet stitch, place a single crochet. 3 chains. Single crochet. 3 chains. Single crochet. 3 chains. Single crochet. Repeat this round for as many times as needed. I stop around 8 inches, so my panel measures 38 by 8 inches. At the end of the final round, 3 chains. Single crochet into the last stitch. 1 chain. Make sure to leave a long tail for stitching before cutting. Repeat this and make another panel for the exact same size. Once the two panels are done, fold in half and put them side by side, because we're going to stitch them together here and the sides. One thing to take note of is I put the foundation chain on the outside. And the way how I attach them together is trying to match the pattern. I started from the bottom, insert into the first stitch, then go through the 3 chains, and connect the single crochet stitch to the single crochet stitch. Then go through the 3 chains, and connect the single crochet stitches together. And you can decide where you want to stop. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!